यतीमों के हुकूक। ये लफ्ज यतीम, ऑर्फन इतना दर्दनाक लफ्ज है कि इंसान की अगर सही सोच हो तो आंख अश्कबार हो जाती है। द स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन हु अनफॉर्चुनेटली lose their father and become fatherless, they are called orphans, and they deserve definitely our love and assistance of every one of us. यतीमी का एहसास ये उसी को होता है, खुदा न करदा जो यतीम हो जाता है। It is compulsory duty of all the people around to deal with the orphan with politeness, love, concern, and all kindness. The orphans must be looked after, and all their needs must be fulfilled as their fathers would do. All possible efforts should be made towards that. His proper brought up and education must be ensured, and his property must be taken care of. बजाय इसके कि यतीमों का माल खा जाएं, उसकी जितनी भी जायदाद या विरासत बनती है उसको बहुत संभाल के रखना चाहिए, और अगर इसमें से कोई पैदावार होती है तो वो भी उसके हक में जमा करते जाना चाहिए। ये उसका हक बनता है। That property must be taken care of, which should be handed over to him when he becomes mature. जब वो बालिग हो जाता है उस वक्त वो उसकी विरासत इंतहाई ईमानदारी से उसके हवाले कर देनी चाहिए। Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also, we know, born orphan, and he was extremely kind, polite, and concerned about the orphans. He had seen that life. Quran has also mentioned multi-dimensional instructions about the orphans. सूरा दुआ में आयत नंबर 9 में फरमाया, and I read it, so as for the orphan, do not oppress him. ये कुरान कह रहा है। और सूरा अल माउन की आयत नंबर 1 और 2 में है, have you seen the one who denies the recompense for, that is the one who drives away the orphan? सूरह अल फज्र की आयत नंबर 17 में है, and I quote, no, but you do not honor the orphan. ये यतीम की इज्जत करना चाहिए, इसके अलावा और कोई आपके पास रास्ता नहीं है। सूरह अन-निसा की आयत नंबर 2 में कुरान हकीम फरमाता है, and I quote, and give to the orphans their properties and do not substitute the defective of your own for the good of theirs, and do not consume their properties into your own. Indeed, that is ever a great sin. सूरह अन-निसा की आयत नंबर 6 में भी है, और मैं कोट करता हूं, and test the orphans in their abilities until they reach marriageable age. Then, if you perceive in them sound judgment, release their property to them, and do not consume it excessively and quickly, anticipating that they'll grow up. And whoever, when acting as guardian, is self-sufficient should refrain from taking a fee. And whoever is poor, let him take according to what is acceptable. Then, when you release their property to them, bring witnesses upon them. And sufficient is Allah as accountant कि रब्बुल इज़्ज़त उन लोगों के ऊपर भी ध्यान रखता है और अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त उनको इसका एहतसाब भी होगा जिनके हाथ में आर्फन्स की, युतामा की विरासत होती है।